everyone. In this session, you are all going to learn about fungi, algae, protozoa, and viruses. Fungi. Fungi, they are a group of diverse organisms that lack of chlorophyll. Some of them look like plants but do not have roots, stems, leaves, or flowers. Some fungi like yeast are unicellular while other like mushrooms, molds are multicellular. You can see in the diagram. A diagram represents the yeast cell. Yeast is a unicellular organism and diagram B represents the mushroom. Mushroom is a multicellular organism. Nutrition of fungi. Fungi are non-green plants and hence cannot make their food. They are either saprophytic or parasitic. You already know the meaning of saprophyte or parasitic. The saprophytic fungi obtain food from dead and decaying organic matter. The parasitic fungi live in or on the body of living organisms and derive food from them. Next, reproduction in fungi. Fungi reproduce asexually by budding. Budding takes place in yeast or by formation of dust-like spores. Here, spores helps in the reproduction. For example, mushrooms and molds. Mushrooms and molds, they reproduce by producing spores. Next one is algae. Algae are simple plant-like organism. They are plant-like organism that have cell wall. Cell wall means outer covering of the body of organism and chlorophyll within the cells. They be filamentous or branched but do not have roots, stem and leaves. You can see them as green sheet like slippery mass floating on the surface of stagnant water. Commonly we can see that algae, they are floating on stagnant water. It has in green color. So let us know the habitat of algae. Algae live in water, hence they are called grass of water. Commonly algae live in water, so algae are called grass of water. They are found in ponds, lakes, seas and oceans. Some algae grow on moist soil. Moist means here wetty soil or moist root surfaces forming a slippery green layer. So next is pigments. Pigments means what? Your color. In addition to green pigment, chlorophyll, some algae possess blue, red or brown pigments. Based on the pigments, they are divided. Green algae. Example for green algae, Chlamydomonas, Volvox, etc. Red algae, a red pigment is present. So, for example, for red algae, Gelidium, Polysiponia, etc. Brown algae, a brown pigment is present in the organism. So, that's why they are in brown in color. Example for brown algae are Sagascum, Fucus, etc. You can see in the diagram. Diagram A represents Chlamydomonas, B Polysiponia, C Fucus. These are the examples for algae. Let us know the nutrition mode of algae. Algae are autotrophs as they contain chlorophyll. Autotrophs means they can make their food by themselves by the process of photosynthesis. They can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. You already know the definition of photosynthesis. Next type of microorganism is protozoa. Proto are the most primitive unicellular. They are the most primitive delicate unicellular and microscopic animals. They are very small animals like amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. are common protozoa. Most protozoans occur singly, but some forms colonies. Here colonies means groups. They found in groups or in single. They do not possess cell wall as in plant cell. They doesn't contain cell wall. Here cell wall means outer covering. Here cell wall is absent in protozoans. Their body is covered with pellicle. What? Pellicle. They can swim using either flagella or cilia or can move with the help of pseudopodia. So in diagram you can see that A, amoeba. The diagram A represents amoeba. This is the diagram of amoeba. Amoeba has a irregular shape. So amoeba it can move with the help of pseudopodia. Amoeba can change its shape. Second diagram B represent paramecium. Here paramecium cilia outer their lines represent the cilia. It helps the movement of the paramecium. Diagram C represent euglena. Euglena has a spiral like thin thread like structure. It helps in the movement, that is called flagella. Let us know the nutrition. Nutrition means what? Food. Protozoans have animal-like holozoic nutrition. Protozoans are holozoic means they capture food. They get the food upon other organism. Some protozoans are parasitic. Parasitic protozoans feed on animal cells and cause diseases in man and domestic animals. So the next microorganism is viruses. As you all know that viruses, shortly we heard that name what? COVID viruses means corona virus. So it is a one type of virus. Viruses are hard to classify as living or non-living. So viruses may be living or non-living as on their own they show no signs of life. They are the smallest and the simplest acellular microorganism. Viruses are so tiny, they are very small that they are seen with the help of an electron microscope. Next, viruses are regarded as a connecting link between non-living and living things because they behave as living inside the living cells and as non-living outside the cell. So here viruses behave living inside the living cells. Outside the cell they behave as a non-living cells. Next, viruses remain inactive outside the living cell. They are inactive outside the living cells. They can be stored in the form of crystals. Here crystals means as usually we can see the salt crystals. Like that they can be stored in the form of what? Crystal. Viruses can multiply only inside the living cells of host. Host means here the organism like animal, plants or a person that provide home for another organisms to live inside. Host organism which can be bacteria, plant or animals. Viruses can multiply the host organisms like bacteria, plants or animals. When viruses introduced in the host cell, here plants or animals, they multiply and produce harmful effect to their host. It will destroy the host cell. They can rapidly multiply. So in the figure you can see that figure A represents tobacco mosaic virus. Shortly it is called TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. This virus is found in tobacco. So figure diagram B represent human immunodeficiency virus. Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. So we can find that you already know that HIV, it causes what? AIDS in human beings. So in this session we learn regarding that what? Fungi, algae, protozoa and viruses. Today's question. Explain the mode of nutrition in fungi. Question number 2. Why algae are called grass of water? Question 3. Name the pigments of algae with examples. Question number 4. Write a note on protozoa. Question number 5. Give any 2 examples for fungi, algae, protozoa and virus. Thank you.